Hello, in this video we'll install PyCharm and add a new version of Python for the Sonoma operation system. On Sonoma and Ventura, Python is installed by default. Let's check your OS version, click here and select about this Mac. If you have Sonoma or Ventura, we can proceed. If you don't have, don't worry, we will install Python after the PyCharm, so everything should work. Download PyCharm by typing PyCharm in the search line and go to the JetBrains website. Hit download. Two versions of PyCharm are available, the paid professional and the free community. We'll go with the community, sufficient for work and study. Click download, wait and then install. Enter your login and password. The download is complete. Launch PyCharm. Now agree to the term of use. Click on New Project. I already have Python 3.10 installed, but you might have 3.9 or another one. Run the script and as you can see, it works. This is enough for work and study, but let me show you how to install another version of Python. To download the Python interpreter, visit python.org. If you want a specific Python version, click on All releases. You can see various Python versions, even Python 2 available for download. Let's install version 3.11. Click here, download and install. Enter your login and password. Installation is complete. Now I'll show you a minor bug. I've intentionally left it in the video. If you encounter such an issue, for you it will be expected. Let's launch PyCharm and try to add our new interpreter. Click on New Project and you should see version 3.11. If it doesn't happen, restart PyCharm and try again. Restart PyCharm, click on New Project and this time you'll see version 3.11 is available. Create a project with it. As you can see, the new version is visible. Let's run our script to ensure everything's working. It works. Check out the description of this video, you will find useful links there. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, hit likes and leave a comment, it will help me produce quality content.